the right part, you first need the right material. Welcome to the world behind the matter. When you design a part, you never choose a material at random. It has to be able to meet the performance needs, but it also needs to be machinable, because a super material that's impossible to machine quickly turns into a nightmare on the shop floor. So yes, the right material matters, but only if it's paired with the right machine.
Even before machining starts, we ask a few key questions. What's the part's function? What kind of stress or deformation will it face? Does it need to be lightweight, heat-resistant, corrosion-proof? And then, another crucial one. We choose the right machines and cutting tools to make it efficiently. That link between material choice and machine capability, that's everything.
Choosing material is always a balancing act between mechanical strength, temperature resistance, corrosion, machinability, cost, and lifespan. So the right choice defines not just how a part performs, but how it can even exist. So yes, the material makes the part, but the machine makes it real. It all depends on what the material can do and what the machine can handle that turns ideas into working technology. And that's where the real magic happens. We'll dive deeper into this relationship in the next episode, where matter meets machine. Big Moves continues.